Okay, this is a LED called a COB, or a chip on board. It's not really a board, it's a ceramic wafer. And there's a collar around this. This is a plastic collar, this thick white piece. That's a plastic collar. The chip is a little bit bigger than that square. That collar fits over it like a flange. And it's made out of a ceramic material. And this is an aluminum piece of aluminum bar stock I had laying around, and I've just got that tie wrapped or cable tied to that bar stock with some tension. And I have a heat sink compound between that ceramic wafer and the aluminum. There's a AC power cord connected directly to the chip. And that little blue thing is just a MOV, a metal oxide varistor. And what that does is it theoretically prevents surges. And that came with the chip. I have no idea. I haven't bothered to research to find out why they feel that that's part of the system, but I put it in there. Anyway, you can solder just a standard AC power cord right up there. I've got the ground wire folded back. Just a regular 110 volt AC power cord. You could get these chips in 100-watt chips, but they're only 220 volts only. With 110 volts, you can get chips up to 50 watts. That's a 50-watt chip. So anyway, I'll plug it in so you can see what's going on. There's a power cord. And this thing gets warm pretty fast because this chip dissipates a lot more than the normal 50 watts because it's basically got a power supply also built onto the chip. And all that circuitry has to dissipate heat. So this aluminum's going to get hot pretty fast. I don't want to leave it on for very long. And whoa, and there it is. You don't want to look directly into that at all, or it'll blind you for sure. I got lucky. I didn't look at it this time. Anyway, that's how bright the thing is. That's a 50-watt chip that's wired directly to AC power. No power supply, nothing. You can't get any better than that. And you probably, you're not going to see these on the market here in the States for another year. If then, maybe even longer. Who knows? But I've got them right now. Anyway, that's it. That's the light chip on the aluminum bar. It's getting warm. It's not really that bad right now. Temperature directly under the chip on the bar is very hot to touch. And these will normally be cooled by liquid cooling like my other LEDs, or using an aluminum heat sink with an integral fan. Anyway, that's it.